Got some ducks swimming by. Such a cute couple out for a morning swim. I installed this backup camera on my van. Got it wired up under here, and it runs all along the inside of the van. And it's got a monitor viewer system right here. Now I have to plug it in. I worked it so I plugged it in with the cigarette lighter. I wanted it to run all the time, sort of act like a rear view mirror. And I didn't want to have to try to find a fuse and do a bunch more wiring that wouldn't be appreciated. So I just made it so it works off the cigarette lighter. But I got all these wires down here and I want to get them hidden, so I got to take this panel off. And it's just two 10mm screws under here. I got one out. I'm going to work on the next, and then hopefully I'll get all these wires hidden and take this slack out so I don't trip over it when I hit the brake or whatever. So let's get her done. Just got the second screw out. Well, there she is. You have to really pull on her. I got this wire right there for my towing brake. I clean that up a little. Matter of fact, I will. Take this off. Get that tow alarm off. Tow switch. Well, it's a lot better. Still not perfect, but she'll do. These wires are really small. I managed to get them twist tied together, but they're so small that a butt cramp won't even hold. You just slide right out. So I'm taping them up, hoping that holds. Okay. I'll probably just leave them up there wedged. Matter of fact, that's probably what I'm going to do. One loose wire right there. Let me grab it. This isn't long enough to go up in there. I'm going to get that. Now I'm going to get my fingernail clippers and snip off these extras. Back. Alrighty, I said fingernail, but we're going to use toenail clippers. They seem to work better. There we go. Alright, so I got that together. Still got these on the side. I think they'll be alright. Plug this thing in just to make sure I still got power and haven't messed anything up with the wiring. I want to plug in my cigarette lighter here and see if I got a screen. I do, so we're good connection. I don't know if you can see that with the glare. But anyway, we got this up here. I got that. It's all going to be covered. I'm going to tape this. And these are going to have to hang there. But they'll be alright. I'll get that underneath the panel. We should be good to go. Get ready to button this up. Alrighty, I got it buttoned up. And I need a little more slack. Son of a gun. Need just a little more slack. Let's try something else. Pull that out. Plug that in. And it still won't go. to the drawing board. Alright, I got it. Just had to pull this out a little bit more. Plugged everything in. Make sure that all worked. And I got my monitor here. It's on. So I know everything's good. These are going to stick out a little more. I may put some tape over it just to hold it flush. But with the door closing on, it's really not going to be a problem. There's enough gap in there. And I don't have any more wires down here hitting my feet. So I feel a lot better. Good job. Now just to clean up, put everything away. Still got to put these screws back in, but that won't take long.